Hi, my name is Daisy. Today we are decorating cupcakes and cakes. We have rainbow jelly beans. We have purple jelly beans falling out. We have yellow jelly beans. Ooh. I have white jelly beans. I have green ones. I have gummy bears. I have chocolate sprinkles, colorful ball sprinkles. Whatever, it's the same thing. Who cares about them? We have sprinkles, whatever, that's the same thing. We have more colorful little ball sprinkles. They're not like that one. They're not like so, kind of different. This is very tiny. This is eyeball candy. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. And we also have some candles. Whatever. We have pink frosting. And we have teal frosting. And we have some chocolate icing. And we have gummy worms. Now we are going to be doing the frosting on the cake. Spread it all over so you won't get it on the cake. Yeah, now I have to put some on the side because I just started with the top. Now we are going to decorate the cake. The sprinkles first. Yeah, I'm going to be doing pink one first. Pink sprinkles. Now I will be taking the white jelly beans. Now I am done with the white jelly beans. This is a strawberry jelly bean cake. So I'm going to be doing some yellow jelly beans. This cake is beautiful. This is a very colorful cake. How much yellows did I put? Now I am done my jelly bean cake. I still need to add a candle, or else it won't be perfect. And I'm done! Now we are going to be doing my chocolate cake with blue frosting. We're still doing it on the top, but we're still going to decorate on the sides. I love this color because it reminds me of the sky. It's yummy and yeah. The frosting is so good. You should try this at home. Mom is smoothing it. I'm gonna like some icing. Off the bed down. Or else how are you supposed to do it? Sugar. My blue frosting is done. Now we need to add the topping. And I'm going to take the gummy worm. Look at that. It's a gummy worm. See that? Maybe another gummy worm. This is called a blooper cake with some stuff on it. Okay, don't mind that. I am doing chocolate sprinkles because they're yummy. What color do you think I should do? Yeah, let's do purple. Good job. Okay, what do I want to do next? Add a candle. Where should I add the candle? Right in the middle. That's beautiful. Let's add some more gummy worms. I love gummy worms. Okay, since we're not at googly eyes, let's eat candy googly eyes. Well, they're not moving, so candy. Nice. Pop one there, pop one there. Standing up, beautiful. Add one there for my friends. Here we go. Now I'm ready to work on my next cake. This is my next cake. As you can see, it's vanilla. And now we're going to be adding chocolate. What should I do first? Okay, let's put like a little yellow thing right in the middle. Okay, that's not good. I'm making flowers. Since this is like a flower cake, why don't we put some grass in the middle? What's the point of getting flowers if you don't have some grass? Jelly beans. Green jelly beans, come with me. Come. You might decorate. You go a little closer. Yeah. Good job. I'm done the flower cake. Now we need to add the sprinkles, then the candle, and then we're done. Thank you, my friends. Can I show you how it looks? It looks beautiful. Now, we just need to add how much candles, whatever. Let's just add 6. 4, 5, the last. Okay, even though we'll take that. And let's. Oh no. But we're gonna do them. Okay, you stick in. I don't care. Gonna make them matchies, but put like a blue here, but nah, whatever. Now we are done. This is the cupcakes that I decorated by myself. And the cakes are all from me. So we have like a big ball one that I told you about. This white one. This and this. These were all mine. And this is the one that I'm gonna eat from myself. So I hope you like this video, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. And this is my cupcake, and I want to show you before I say goodbye. Bye. Three, two, one. Tastes like magic. It tastes like magic cupcakes. Bye bye. I hope you like this video, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.